Good morning. Welcome to Module 2. We're starting astronomy content today. Very exciting day. So we're going to start by looking at how we measure the sky and how we are able to talk about objects in the sky in relationship to each other. And we do that using something called the celestial sphere, which you are going to learn quite a bit about. So the first thing that we have for you is the lesson. So you'll go through your lesson. Remember, you have to get at least 75% on the lesson in order to see the quiz for Module 2, Lesson 1. So make sure you go through and you get at least 75% correct of those little activities that you have in between there. These are the notes that I will be going over in our live lessons, so you can follow along with notes if you'd like. You can print them out. A lot of people have found printing them out and then kind of taking notes in the margin helps them a lot during the live lesson. So you have those ahead of time. The notes that I give may be a little bit changed, maybe a little bit updated. They probably won't be changed much, but I just want you to be aware of that. You have a short video to watch on the difference between a solar and sidereal day. You have some vocabulary to complete. So you'll complete your vocabulary, and then you have a podcast that you'll be listening to. It's about 30 minutes. There is a link to the transcript so you can follow along. Some people want to just read the transcript and not listen to the podcast, and if you do that, there's nothing I can do to stop you from doing that. That's how you learn. But I highly recommend that while you have the transcript up, you listen to the podcast and follow along. I think you'll find that a lot of the stuff that you just read that doesn't make sense while you're reading it makes a lot more sense when you hear them talking about it. So please, I encourage you, listen to the podcast. Don't just read the transcript to get the answers. But that's, again, that's up to you. It's only 30 minutes and it's really pretty interesting. The two that talk, they're kind of funny. They're kind of cute, so I get a kick out of them. And then you have your quiz. And remember, you have to get at least 75% on this first lesson. On all the activities that are in that lesson, you have to at least get 75% of the points in order to be able to see that the quiz even exists. But the quiz is there, so you need to make sure you take it. So if you need me, you can text me, you can email me, however you want to get in touch with me. Just make sure I know who you are when you contact me, and I will make sure to get back to you with all the answers. All right, enjoy Module 2.